In this video, I'm gonna share with you a Hostinger discount. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, if we go to hostinger.com and let's click on Start Now. As you can see, we have these plans here. You can choose any plan you want. So let's choose, for example, this one, choose plan. This discount works with all the plan, even if you choose VPS or cloud or anything. So let's choose, for example, 12 months. As you can see, you have to pay $59, okay? But if you use this link, I will leave it in the description. Paste and go. Click on Claim Deal and choose the plan you want. Let's choose the same plan. And let's choose the same period. As you can see, the subtotal is $47. So we have here referral discount minus 20%. Let's choose, for example, 48 months. You would pay $191, but with the link in the description, you will pay only $153. As you can see, minus 20%, minus $38. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.